Hi, this is a walkthrough for migrating DDPs to your new Loop account. Let's say you've already created a Loop account and have created DDP records in that Loop account, and now you want to migrate it to your new Loop account. What you can do is select a list view of DDPs and utilize the Migrate DDPs button to transfer these DDPs to the DDPs tab in your new Loop account. Navigating within the new Loop account org and selecting Go next to all, you'll see that there is no DDPs for me to use. So what I'm going to do is transfer the sample proposal DDP to my new Loop account. If you do not see the Migrate DDPs button in the DDPs list view, you'll need to add it to your list layout. Navigate to your setup, select the Create dropdown, and choose Objects. You'll need to select the DDP link and navigate down to your search layouts. Select Edit next to DDPs list view. The Migrate DDPs button should be on the left side. You need to move it to the right side. Once you save, the Migrate DDPs button should be available on your DDPs list views. So once you've created a view, select Go, and the Migrate DDPs button should appear. The next step is to select which DDPs to migrate to your new Loop account. In this case, we're just going to migrate the sample proposal. Once you've checked the checkbox next to the DDPs you want to transfer, select the Migrate DDPs button. This will take you to a simple wizard. Insert the username and password of your new Loop account. You may need your security token to pass some securities for your new Loop account. You can choose to test your credentials to see if your username and password will log you in successfully. If you can log in successfully, select the DDPs you want to migrate. You should see a list in the bottom section of the first tab on the DDP migration wizard. Select Next. The next page will be a list of migration options. You can choose from a list of folders where you want to store the new documents. And you should see a list of warnings, if any, in the bottom section of the Migrate Options tab. Once you've chosen your folder for your documents, select Migrate. You'll be taken to the third tab of the DDP migration wizard. You'll be notified that your migration has progressed, and you'll receive an email when the process is complete with a list of records for each object being transferred. So in this case, I have one DDP transferring 2 files with 1 delivery option, 3 form steps, 19 form fields, 0 PDF stamps, 0 insert updates, and 26 items total. I have no need for the old account, so I'm going to log out and then refresh the DDPs tab. You'll now notice that DDP has been successfully migrated to my new Loop account. If I select the link to the DDP, all the same settings have been saved. And my Loop files can be found in the folder I've selected in the DDP migration wizard. The only thing that can not successfully be transferred using the migration tool is any reports you're using in a DDP. So if you're using reports inside of a document in your DDP, you need to recreate those reports and reinsert them into your DDP record. Other than that, that is how you migrate a DDP to your new Loop account. Thank you.